everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I finally got around to filming the rose inky nail art design. To start off with, I've done one coat of Magpie's Plain Jane and I'm just coming in now to do a second coat. Once I'm happy with that, I will cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So once that's fully cured, I'm then going to come in and do one coat of Magpies Give Me Strength and cure again for 60 seconds. Once that's fully cured, I'm going to take Magpie's Prep and Dehydrate and just wipe off that inhibition layer, ready to put the inkies on the top of. So I'm going to take Magpie's Purple Inky first, and I'm just going to start by applying it from the tip upwards, just randomly. It just kind of depends what look you're going for, really. I did do the previous ones in pink, so I just thought I would try these in purple to see how I like them. So I'm taking my old Illustrator brush, and I like to use acetone to disperse the inkies with. And first I'm going to soften kind of the edge of that inky and blend it out and just kind of make it softer and lighter. And then I'm going to focus on the tip area now. Just kind of play with it until you're happy with it. Apply more inky if you want to, or disperse it if you want to. It's completely up to you and what kind of look you're going for. So I did decide that I wanted to add some of the deep red inky just at the tip area, just to add a little bit more depth of colour. So I literally just put it on the end of the tip and then disperse it upwards just into the purple. I loved the effect that this gave, and yeah, I definitely preferred it with the deep red running through it as well as just the purple. So once I was happy with how it looked, I then come in and top coat that with Magpie's Don't Be Tacky and then cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. So once that had cured, I'm taking Magpie's white gel paint and the detailer brush. I've already got some of that on my palette. So I'm going to start off doing the rose. Now I don't know how to explain doing it. It's kind of, I use the blob that goes on the end of the brush and kind of make two commas opposite each other, if that makes sense. And then build up around the edges. I'm faffing with the lamp here. It was really frustrating because on my phone it looked like you wouldn't be able to see because the reflection of the light was in the way. So yeah, as you're building up your rose, I find that making the petals thicker as they get bigger always gives the right kind of rose shape, and I just love how this looked. One of my favorite things to paint is roses, and I feel like something so simple is really effective and is just beautiful. So I'll stop babbling, I'll let you watch, and yeah. So once I've finished adding in the leaves and little dot details, now is for the fun bit. So don't cure the design you've just painted. That's why it's really important to use a gel paint so that it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to take Magpie's Blossom Glitter and a triangle glitter tray, and I'm just going to tap the Blossom Glitter over the top of the uncured design that you've just done. Make sure that you cover the whole design, and as long as you've got the glitter tray, then it doesn't matter because you can just pop the excess that's left over back in your pot anyway. So once that's cured under the lamp for 60 seconds, I'm taking a dust brush and just really giving that a good scrub to get off any of the other excess glitter. And there we have it. That is the finished design. So I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you again soon. Bye.